Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. I was sent some products from Heimish, free for review, and if Smudge will move out of the way, I will tell you about them. Let me see if I can get them to go. Come on, Smudge. I've been trying to get them to go for a while so I could get to filming. Heimish is a modern and chic Korean brand that focuses on enhancing and bringing out your individual uniqueness and beauty. And they sent me an email and they wanted to send me some things. And you know, Heimish is, I've had some of their products before from different boxes along the way, and from Facetory and from Stylevana. They have beautiful products, very beautiful products. So they let me pick 3 products, and they had a good bunch of things to pick from. So I thought I would try some sheet masks from them. I don't know that I ever have. So this one here is called the Matcha Biome Low pH Hydrating Mask Sheet. There are 5 in here, and it says intensive hydration that provides cooling and calming effect, a non-sticky moisture sheet mask that leaves a freshness, microfiber sheet that fits well and gives a soft, silky feel, and mild acidic pH 5.5, which is suitable for sensitive and delicate skin, silicone-free and ethanol-free. So there are 5 in here, and I'll probably do this on a Mask Monday coming up. I'll do one of those to show you. And then next they sent me, I've only known them for skincare, but they also have makeup. So they sent me a palette. Let me get this open. This is called the Nudie Dailism Eye Palette in Coral, and if you can see that, it's on the cardboard, just with some, you know, a little. It's raised, and it's hard to read it. I don't know if you can see it, but let's open it up and see. It is called Dailism Smudge Eye Palette, and there were 2 to choose from, and there was the Nudie Rose and the Nudie Coral. And I thought I chose the rose, but it's okay. They were very, very similar. This is how it is. This is really pretty. We'll swatch it too. Very pretty colors, and a beautiful, this component, this compact is really pretty. See, it's plastic. You know, like lucite. And there it is. And this, I forgot to tell you, the sheet masks are valued at $15, so $3 a mask. And then this palette is valued at $30. And let's swatch it. It's a toned down neutral color combination. It says it completes elegant and sophisticated makeup with a variety of nudie coral beige tone colors that suit all skin tones. And there's 2 like glitters, 2 or 3 shimmers, and 3 mattes is what it looks like. But the mattes look very silky. Let's see. They're really pretty. So you see they're very light colors. This one is called Coral Champagne. That's really beautiful. I can see that Coral Champagne in there. This one is Gold Glam, Ivory, and Aurora Gold. So I'll put these right here. Very beautiful. Very, very pretty. Whoops. Let's see. Then we have the darker shades are on the bottom. 1, 2. Okay, so those, let's see what those are called. This one is Coral Beige, Sand Beige, Bronze Glam, and Dark Coral. These shimmers are so pretty, y'all. They're very light. That's beautiful. That's a beautiful light, neutral, you know, daytime palette. You can darken it up some, you know, to bring you into night. This is a good palette to carry with you because it's small, and it can fit into your purse nicely. Very, very pretty. Thank you, Heimish. That's beautiful. I didn't know they sold makeup, and I don't know if it's a newer thing. I've just have always seen their skincare. And then the third choice that I made is this beautiful, look at how pretty this packaging is, y'all. This is called Watermelon Moisture Soothing Gel Cream. And the reason I got it is because it's summer and it said watermelon on it. And I mostly don't wear gel. Mostly don't use gel creams because my skin is normal, and gel creams to me seem to do better with oily skin because there's usually no oil in it. But I couldn't pass up the name of it. It says all summertime long, big size soothing gel cream. Heimish Moisture Gel Cream, Moisture Surge Gel Cream, calms and gives a pleasant cooling on a hot day. Moisturizing and cooling and soothing watermelon extract, which helps to saturate the skin fully with the necessary moisture and restore the hydrolipid balance. Instant moisture supply and soothing for reddened skin. Hypoallergenic mild formula, no colors or fragrances. That's very, very nice. Cooling effect reduces skin temperature and soothes heated skin rapidly. So this is great for a hot day, or you've just come in from the beach or the pool. Smoothly spread on skin to absorb without stickiness. And tip, hydrate from face to body. Keep it in the refrigerator for additional cooling effect. Oh, that sounds so nice. So you can use this on your face, but you can also use it on your body, which is nice. It is sealed. Look at the nice seal from their factory. So let's see if I can, sometimes if you just twist, it'll pop off. Let me put that in the box. And look at how pretty that packaging is, y'all. I don't know why my overhead lights are very dark too. I don't know why my lights seem to be so bright lately, no matter what I do, okay? But that looks just so refreshing, doesn't it? And it's a nice big container. It is, does it tell us size? And it doesn't expire until 2026, so that is very nice. I'm sure it says somewhere, 3.71 fluid ounces or 110 mLs. And then it's in beautiful Korean language on there. There is English as well, okay? So let's open it and see. I bet it's just gonna be, okay. It has, look at how pretty that is. I love this kind of top, instead of, like one you have to cut off that is difficult to use, although I do have trouble with these, getting them started sometimes, just because that's me. Most people don't have trouble, but I do. So, okay, there we go. Oh, okay. Yeah, it said it had no scent, and it doesn't. There's the top. Let me put that down. I just got it all over me, so. Oh, it goes right into the skin. Look at how refreshing that looks. And I'll tell you, I'm going to put that in the refrigerator. I think that's a fantastic idea. Before I was filming, I was out. I had stopped at the store and met someone I knew in the parking lot. And we talked for a long time, and I started to get overheated. It's hot outside. So something like this, oh, it's cool without even being in the refrigerator. It feels cool. So something like this is great to have in the house, in the refrigerator, waiting for you to come in and use it. So it is cool all on its own. It's beautiful. It feels really good. And I'll put it on the back of my, whenever I do my face, whenever I put moisturizer on, I put the excess on my hands, because we do tend to forget about our hands. And then, I mean, we're all getting old. We're all grown. We're all aging and getting older. And certain things we forget about. We forget about our necks, our décolletage, however you say it, our hands. And so I always put stuff, oh, this feels good. It feels very silky. It goes right into my skin. It's not sticky like they said. It's not sticky at all. It's very, very nice. Ooh, I don't think I put it that way, but I may have put it over some of the eyeshadow. So, but it feels really good. And we just tend to forget about our hands. And I have age spots, that's gonna happen. So I'm excited to have this. Thank you, Heimish. Look at how beautiful that is, y'all. Well, I'm sorry about the glare, but it's a beautiful lucite container. Very pretty, sitting on your dresser table or your bathroom sink. And did I tell you the value of that one? That one is $28. And so we have the beautiful palette and the sheet masks that I will do one of these on a future Mask Monday. And you never know, I may give one away. So stay tuned for that, y'all. Thanks for stopping by, and thank you so much to Heimish for sending me these beautiful products. And you may be seeing a few other videos from other creators, because they were doing a big campaign sending out so that you can see more of their products. They have been around a while, and like I said, I've had products from them before, and they're a really wonderful quality. They're very well renowned in Korea. Very well renowned, very bougie brand there. Thank you so much, Heimish, and thank you all for watching, and count your blessings. Bye-bye.